In this tutorial, I'll show you how to array curve instancing a mesh. That term, array curve instancing, means applying array and curve modifiers to a mesh object, in order to get it duplicated along the path. I know that sounds very complicated, but I was amazed to see how easy it was to make duplicates of the meshes to create complex scenes. Unlike the previous mesh instancing methods, the meshes won't rotate along the path. This method can be used to create complex abstract art scenes, and you'll notice it's very flexible, because we can freely modify the curve afterward. Let's begin. Create a curve point, and press the 3D button. If you don't see the curve point, please activate an add-on called Add Curve, Extra Objects. Turn off the normal indicator. Extrude the curve point. Create a plane, press Tab to go to edit mode, press Alt-M to merge at the center. Add the array modifier to the merged vertex and please match my settings. Add the curve modifier. Now, we have two vertices along the path. Create a mesh that will be duplicated. I'll add a cube and move its origin to the bottom face, because it will be easier to modify the mesh on the Z-axis. Remember to press Shift-S to move the 3D cursor to the selected face and move the origin. Shift-C will bring back the 3D cursor back to the starting point. Select the cube and Shift-select the merged vertex. Press Ctrl-P to parent. Go to Instancing and select Vertex. Use the constant offset setting like this. It's very flexible and customizable. We can smooth the curve by pressing V and A after selecting a curve point. We can even extrude and modify the curve any way we like, and the duplicated meshes will follow along. This is the end of the array curve instancing tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.